Why so serious?
What's up, Chain Gang? We're back with another banger today. Y'all already know what it is from the title, man. We about to head to this little car meetup. I guess it's more like you meet at a spot and then you kind of just drive to another certain spot. So I heard about it and I thought that I might just go ahead and ride up there, see who's all up there, try to meet some people, network, see what kind of cars are out there, just cause we're taking a different route on this car scene now. So we want to get as much content, much footage as possible. But right now, we got to go wash my car, man, because me and my nephew did this little challenge last night. And, well, here's how my car looks. Damn. So this is the end result of doing Instagram and TikTok challenges. I got slushy all over my car. So you already know we're about to go wash her up, head to this little meetup. We about to get rolling. We about to go wash Coco up, and then we're gonna head to Sacramento to this little car meet. And then we're supposed to be driving back to Napa, which is more so on my side of town, a little bit further, but let's see how this is. Hopefully we can get some good content, man, because that'll be super, super dope. I'll be back to y'all once we get to the car wash, and then right after that, we're gonna head straight to the meet. All right, peace. So we back. Right now we headed to the spot. We just got the car washed up. To be honest, I really don't know what to expect. I'm really new on this car scene stuff. I've always had like nice cars and shit, but I just never really cared to be on the car scene like that just because I ride motorcycles, so I've been more on the bike scene. Hopefully this is something that I can enjoy and want to go back to and be able to get more content with, because I mean, I feel like this is what a lot of people want to see. They want to see people cut up. They want to see a whole bunch of nice ass cars. They want to see me build my car. And I've been getting great reactions off of the content that I've been doing. So hopefully we see like some of the cars that look like mine, and then some that are like, you know, like different, maybe exotic. I don't know. Again, I don't know what to expect. We're about 20 minutes away. It says we're gonna get there a little early, or maybe a lot of people are here like congregating and socializing or whatever. Once I come back to y'all, should be pulling up, and maybe it's gonna be a lot of people there, maybe it's not gonna be. But again, we here and we're trying to make the content. I'll be right back to y'all once we get to the meet that we're going to now. Be back to y'all as soon as we get to the meet. All right, peace. It look like it's a few people up here. So here at the meet, a clean ass SRT.
couple of little cars out here. Shit, clean. The bike. Ooh, that mug clean. That shit clean as fuck. Got the little bug pulling up. Got the drone flying around. That shit clean, but it's all the way to the ground and the wide body kit fucked up on it. But that shit still clean. I just wouldn't lower it that low. Got the drone. That shit low-key clean too.
Oh yeah, you're talking
Shit clean. All right, so about to slide. It done got thick out here. It done got real thick. Motherfuckers is everywhere. It's the kind of shit I'm on. That shit clean as hell. We got some more SRTs over here. Deep out here.
Is considered motoring?
Nah, technically it might be. Well, are they open?
This place is open. RC Willie? Yeah, we're all here for RC Willie.
They over there blurred.
Yeah, we're all here for RC Willie.
Everyone here has to obey traffic rules. We already know that. We have to drive safely and responsibly and keep in mind the safety of others around us. There's a lot of high horsepower cars, people's prized possessions. People work hard for these cars, so we can't be just cutting up and cutting people off type shit. Like, drive normally, have some fun on the freeway. Even they give us a pass to like drive fun on the freeway, but when you're in the streets, just be cool. So this is an understanding that the hosts, such as me, Mike, and Namdi, are not responsible for any accidents, any injuries, or damages that occur during the cruise. And that is like, for example, let's say Diego decides to crash into like a brick or something. That's crazy. He falls back. He can't be like, oh, the track hog that was 30 feet away would cause there. No, it doesn't work that way. You gotta be responsible for your own safety. So there's that.
All right, let's go get in the car before we get fucking left. Oh yeah, we about to go crazy. We about to go crazy. About to go crazy.
On this highway, boy. Yes, sir. Active, boy. And the crazy thing is, it's not even the group. Like, we kept getting stuck at the light when we was leaving, so we kind of with a smaller group right now, but that's cool too. That means it ain't too many cars. But this is cool, bro. This remind me of when I used to ride my bike back in Atlanta, and we used to be like 30 deep. Chilling, everybody riding. They doing rolls up there. All you gotta do is stay with the group. And my camera about to die too, bro. That's the fucked up part. I fucked up and left my camera on the whole time we was chilling at the spot, and now my camera about to die. Alright, chain gang. So it kind of got crazy and motherfuckers was taking the wrong exits and all this other shit. So I think a lot of us got split up, to be honest. And it was fun and everything, but I'll put in the address to the location that everybody going to, and that shit's like an hour and 30 minutes. I'm not driving no hour and 30 minutes to go to a whole nother situation. I mean, I feel like if I had known last night, then I would have probably went. But I got some other shit I gotta do today, so. But nah, like, that shit was crazy. That shit was fun. I got a lot of decent content for the first car meet. Basically, if you want to say we got lost, I mean, it's still a group of us together, but right now I think everybody just kind of like doing their own thing and basically trying to go back home. So, but yeah, so I'm about to head back to the crib. That pretty much concludes today's video, man. Sorry I got lost, but not sorry at the same time. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe, man. Turn on those push notifications, man, because we got a lot of good content coming, man. Always, always, always. We done switch it up a little bit. So if you want to keep seeing great car content, man, drop that chain gang emoji, man. And let me know what you want to see done to the car next, man. Let me know what y'all want to see on the channel. If y'all want me to go to more car meets, if y'all want me to do more car mods, like, let me know down in the comments, man. But like I said, man, we're going to get back to y'all next time, man. And we're going to keep that heat coming, man. All right, peace. Good, y'all. If y'all like the content y'all seen today, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on all your notifications, and make sure y'all stay tuned up and up to date with everything I have going on.
I just love this recommended beat. I just